Functions can be called with an arbitrary number of arguments. These arguments will be wrapped up in the tuple before the variable number of arguments. 0 or more normal arguments may occur. So let's create a program that's going to run an arbitrary argument. So we created a small little program, and we're going to grab the arguments, and we're going to concatenate them or put them together and create a string out of this, or print a string out of this. So let's go here and so this program takes in a bunch of arguments, arbitrary arguments, and then it adds them together inside of a tuple, or puts them inside of a tuple. So because we know that it's a tuple, we can now use the join argument with a separation and create our own little word here. So this is the separation. So we're creating our own little word here by knowing that this has a tuple of arguments inside of it.